Okay, now here's how, this is your choke, this is your throttle. When it's cold, you start full choke. As soon as it fires, start about half throttle. You back the choke off till you find the sweet point where it's running best. Let it warm up for about 30 seconds and shut it off. Once it's hot, you typically do not need to use choke or very little choke to restart it. I like running them at full speed. That way you have maximum airflow across the air-cooled fins on the jugs, and you have maximum horsepower output. Of course, your key. This is your balance pressure regulator. You turn this handle to adjust the pressure up and down. Here's your gauge that reports the pressure. This turns your output water on and off. This is your vacuum gauge, shows you how much vacuum you're pulling at the moment. This is the thermostat. This is the temperature you want it to not get hotter than. And you set it at that temperature, and if it starts to get hotter than that, it'll open that dump valve and start dumping. What am I missing? This is your chemical injection monitoring gauge. This is called a Dwyer Meter, and you can kind of see that it's chemical injection's working. On this one, since you have constant flow, a lot of times you have some chemical being reported all the time, whether you're triggering the wand or not. It depends on the incoming house pressure, how that balances out. Some houses it'll just come up when you trigger the wand. Some houses it's going to come up some either way. Chemical injection is typically used for rinsing agent. Some people think it's for soap. It's not really for soap. It's better to run just straight water, conditioned water, or rinsing agent through your